The Nyothrab Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The cabinet meeting that was held on 5th November 2021 had met to discuss issues pertaining to the welfare of the people of the state. At a press briefing held after the cabinet meeting, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestun Tinsong announced that the proposal to upgrade the Mairang Civil Subdivision to a full-fledged district has been approved by the cabinet. The new district will now be named Eastern West Khasi Hills and will be inaugurated on the 10th of November this year. The Deputy Chief Minister also announced that VAT on petrol and diesel has been reduced. For petrol, the reduction is from 20% to 13.5% per litre and from 12% to 5% per litre for diesel, thereby providing much relief to consumers across the state.
We have decided from the cabinet today that upgradation of Mairang Civil Subdivision to a full-fledged district is approved. The proposal from political department was fully approved by the cabinet, and I would like to tell you that the inauguration of the new district will be on the 10th November 2021, and the name of the newly created district is Eastern West Khasi Hills. Eastern West Khasi Hills. As you are all aware that Government of India has reduced the excise duty of petrol and diesel product in the whole country, so the state government also in line with the advice from the Government of India has taken a decision that further reduction on price of petrol and price of diesel has to be implemented immediately from the midnight of tonight. Means early 6th, today's 5th, right? Early 6th from 12:001, new rate will be in place from tonight. Okay. The price of petrol comes to 94.58, and in Meghalaya, Bernihat, it comes to 92.38 paisa, and in Shillong, it comes to 93.91 paisa. Then on diesel, in Assam, Guwahati, the price of diesel is 81.29 per litre, whereas after the decision taken by the state government this evening, the price of diesel in Meghalaya, Bernihat sector, it comes to 79.41 per litre, and in Shillong, it comes to 80.57 per litre.